What's the meaning of atonic? Atonic. Atonic.
Atonic. Atonic. The word atonic refers to a medical condition where muscles lose their normal tone, becoming weak and flaccid. This may occur due to nerve damage, muscle disease or other underlying conditions. As a result, individuals with atonic muscles may experience difficulties in movement and control, including loss of balance, coordination, and even difficulty breathing or speaking. Treatment for atonic conditions may involve physical therapy, medication or surgery depending on the underlying cause and severity of the condition. Early diagnosis and management can help improve outcomes and prevent complications.